Hey folks, it's me and Lottie the cat, and guess what? We're going to be panning some Big Texas Crevice, New Mexico gold pay dirt. Huh, Lottie, what do you think? I think she's ready. But we're going to give this a preview, and we're going to do this weekend, aren't we? Aren't we, Lottie? And sorry for such a delay, but haven't been feeling good, guys. Got some medical issues going on. Gonna have to have surgery in a couple weeks, but we wanted to get this done. Hi, Lots. Hi, Lottie. We wanted to get this done before then, and hopefully we can find some gold. Hi, Lots. Hi, Lottie. Yep. We're gonna find some gold. So anyways, this is a preview. New Mexico Crevice dirt. Check out Big Texas Prospecting on his videos. He went a couple weeks ago to Claman Sierra County, New Mexico, and shows him getting this dirt. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. You're never disappointed with Big Texas. Catch y'all in a couple days.